I had this black fabric left over from a gown I recently made, and I decided I wasn't going to let it go to waste. I am going to recreate this green shawl cardigan thing. I never know what to call these. Now off to make the pattern. Dun-dun-dun. I'm going to use some tracing paper and my actual shawl thingy to make my pattern. I use the seams as my guide, so just carefully laying it down. And I'm going to trace it with a pen to just make the pattern piece. Once I have that traced, I'm just making arrows where I need to add seam allowances and marking what pattern piece this is. This is the back and I'll need to cut two. Then I have to do the exact same thing with the front, which was a little bit more tricky just because of how the fabric laid and I had to do a lot of finagling. Instead of manually drawing on the seam allowance, I ended up using the magnet on the scissors trick where I just added enough magnets on my scissors to be the seam allowance so I could just cut it. With the pattern made, I went ahead and cut two of the front and the back, and I was a little worried, guys, but I had the perfect amount of fabric for this. It was incredible. Next, I serged all the pieces together and I finished any of the raw edges with a very lazy rolled hem, and this is the final piece. I think it came out great. It only took me a couple of hours to put together, and even Garrick was really admiring it until I forgot he was there and accidentally whacked him.